Hello, today I'm going to share with you air fryer carrots. That's just a perfect recipe when you're craving for fries but want something healthier, something different, something a bit sweeter. These herbed carrots just taste amazing with any meal. So we're going to start by getting 6 medium carrots and just peel them off. Once they're peeled, I'm going to cut off the edges, and then I'm going to cut each carrot in a half, and then I'm going to cut each half into half lengthwise, and then each quarter of it into 3 slices lengthwise. So basically we're trying to create fries. These carrot sticks will cook very well in the air fryer and give you the feeling of a fry. Now I'm going to get a large bowl and add in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You can use avocado oil as well. Then I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of dried parsley. You could also use oregano if you wanted. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We finish it all up with some salt and black pepper, of course. So now I'm going to mix all of these ingredients together. Take my time doing that. And the next thing we want to do is place all the carrots in a bowl. And we want to give it a good mix. Coat all of the carrots with the oil. There's quite a bit of it. Use your hands to do it. That's how it works best. Now I'm going to spray my air fryer basket with olive oil. Just 2 pumps will do. We just want to make sure those carrots do not stick to the air fryer. I'm going to place the carrots in the basket, spreading them out evenly. That's a very important bit, so they all cook through. And I'm going to air fry this for 7 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit degrees or 200 Celsius degrees. After 7 minutes, we're gonna pull them out. Just mix them up a little bit to make sure that they cook through evenly. And we're going to air fry this for another 8 minutes at exactly the same degrees. So now 15 minutes later, we're gonna be able to serve them. Let them cool down a little bit and serve them with your favorite meal. They are so nice, crispy, soft inside, delicious, and sweet. So enjoy them with any meal you love. I sure will. Take care. Bye bye.